Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
We have here some chicken drums. You don't know, it's Sunday, so we're gonna be cooking up some oxtail and fried chicken. Alright, so clean up the chicken drums. Ensure to remove all the debris from the knuckle of the chicken drums. You know, sometimes they have these little yellow casings from the skin. You clean that up thoroughly. And then of course, you're gonna wash that with some white vinegar, or if you have lime or lemon juice.
Vinegar washes like
chicken and meat to keep away the rawness from it, you know?
Why for that? I saw vinegar just like some. Is it only for that?
No, people use vinegar to clean.
And you can use it in vegetable.
Yeah, use it to make sauces, dressings.
Washing machine.
That's why it shows the veggies.
Yep.
Are you putting it under water? Are you putting it? Are you trying to wash it?
Yes,
So we have here the chicken drums, nice and cleaned and ready to be seasoned. Alright, so you add about a quarter piece of white onion.
More water in the fire.
Alright, so you have scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and you also have onion. You're gonna go in some all-purpose seasoning. That's 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Scotch bonnet pepper to your spice tolerance. Much garlic, you have 2 garlic cloves and about a quarter piece of small white onion. I'm just gonna massage that to get all the flavors married into the chicken drums. Watch a piece of stick that's in the cut your hand.
Here.
A piece of bone there.
Yes, sir.
What for this one?
This?
Bone or cock out.
This? Okay.
So that's the fried chicken prep. Alright, season that up nicely and just allow it to marinate for a little while. Mommy just normally season up our chicken or meat, and she don't really marinate and the flavor is in there. Me personally, I like to put mine to marinate for at least a day or 2. Yes, not that long, eh?
No. As we finish this, we are going to start the oxtail.
Okay. The fried chicken on its way underneath the skin and everything. Which is right, chicken look pretty. As you know, Mommy like to fry our chicken shallow fry style, whereas I go deep fry, you know. You have a cup and a half of vegetable oil and we're gonna let that heat up to about 325 degrees. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Alright. So you add a quarter cup of cornmeal to your flour.
Yes.
And that's for your fried chicken. Alright. And about a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning.
So we are going flour.
Add the chicken pieces to the flour.
Yep.
Alright. Okay. So you just give your chicken 1 bread.
Yes.
Beautiful.
You know, like it.
Mommy don't like a lot of flour on her chicken, so just 1 bread like that video I showed you the other day. So you're just gonna fry this for about 5 minutes on each side and then cover the pot. Okay. So after 5 minutes, turn those over. Yep, nice color. Fry that low and slow. 5 more minutes, then we're gonna cover that and allow it to steam. Cover up the fried chicken, and then we're gonna steam that for about 10 more minutes and we should be good to go. So remove the cover after 5 minutes We're going to turn those over and steam on the other side. So that make it soak right through. Then turn up the heat and let it crisp up.
Make it like juicy out of heat.
Okay, so you remove after 10 minutes, you remove the lid and then you use another 5 minutes to just crisp up the skin. What the lid does is to help to steam that because it's shallow fried, right? So to steam it all the way to the bone.
You get a piece of paper towel and you put it in a dish, you put the chicken in here, then you put them in here, put this over here.
Okay.
Suck up, then it release it, just suck it up.
So you like to fry chicken and put it on paper towel? Alright. Alright, there we go. Chicken is fried up nicely and good to go.
Go and big up yourself, and thanks for watching and subscribe and share. Yes.
That is it.